We all have a love-hate relationship with our keyboards. Laptops are great, but the built-in keyboards can feel cramped, and a separate keyboard just adds to the clutter. What if your keyboard could be something more? Today, let's look at Welder. It's a crowdfunding project that's not just a keyboard. It's a portable mechanical keyboard with a massive built-in smart screen. The first thing that grabs your attention is the design. It's a full 84-key mechanical keyboard, but it folds up. This makes it incredibly portable. You can just fold it and slide it into a bag. It's perfect for anyone who works on the go, whether you're a digital nomad, a student, or just someone who likes to work from a coffee shop. Talking about uniqueness, the Welder has a 12.8-inch smart touchscreen built right into the top. This isn't just a basic display. It's a touch-sensitive screen that can be used for a ton of things. You could use it to monitor system performance, show a calendar, display a chat window, or even just watch a video while you're working. The possibilities are huge. This touch screen gives you a whole new way to interact with your computer. The keyboard itself is mechanical, which is a huge plus for anyone who loves that tactile feel. The keys have that satisfying click and response that you just don't get from a standard laptop keyboard. And for those of you who love to customize, the Welder has up to 108 RGB lighting modes. You can change the colors and patterns to match your mood or your setup. Another thing to note is that it supports 6 different language options. This is a nice detail that makes it more accessible to people all over the world. So the Welder is more than just a keyboard. It's a fully integrated smart tool for your workspace. It aims to combine the comfort of a mechanical keyboard with the versatility of a second screen, all in a portable, foldable design. So what do you think of the Welder? Is a smart screen keyboard the future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please hit the like button. Share it with your friends who are always looking for new tech. And be sure to subscribe for more videos on unique crowdfunding projects.